Social, Unit 5, Lesson 2, Sharing, pages 127 to 131. Objectives of this lesson: to encourage sharing amongst youngsters, to instill the sense of sharing and caring amongst individuals. The kids need to understand about the value of sharing. Manners, sharing. Keywords: share, belonging, lend, borrow. These are the words we will see and focus on in this lesson. The most important keyword is the title of our lesson, known as sharing. Now, what do you think is the meaning of sharing? Is it giving and taking? Or is it helping each other out? Which one do you think is the correct definition? Activity time. You will be given a chocolate by your mom or dad, or maybe a toy. Can be anything. Now, I want you to go and share it with your siblings or your friends, or even your mom and dad. No, if you're saying no, then that's not nice. You need to understand the value of sharing. It is considered a good manner to share, which means to give a part of your object or thing or chocolate or toy and share it with someone who wants it or does not have it. Let's take an example. If I ask you to share your pencil with a friend in class who doesn't have it, will you say no? Exactly. Because your friend does not have it and you have maybe an extra or maybe the one that I gave you and you should share it with them. You should give it to them. Sharing is also known as helping others. That is a good thing or a bad thing? Tell me. Now, let's hear this fun song about sharing, and I hope you can sing along too. It explains to you what sharing means and how you can practice it every day, even when you're not in class, and also, of course, when you are in class. Well, wasn't that a fun song? I hope that you learned somewhat about sharing, and I hope you know the meaning now. Let's get to solving the lesson. Please open your book to page 127 and let's start reading. Lesson 2, Sharing. Now, what are your belongings? They are things that you own, that belong to you. Your books, your pencils, stuff that's your own is called your belonging. Now, what is sharing? Sharing means giving or taking belongings. When you borrow something from someone, you are taking it from them. And, of course, as the class rule, we have to return it back because it is not yours. You have borrowed it from someone. Now, what is lending? Lending is when you give your belonging to someone. Giving anything is also called as sharing. That's when you share your things with someone else. Please open page 131 in your textbook. Think and remember. Exercise 1. Use the words in the box to fill in the blanks. Let's read the words in the green box. Lend, belongings, borrow, share. Press space when you're ready to write the answers. Let's read the first question. Number 1. I will my friend an eraser if she forgets hers at home. Now, if your friend forgot her eraser at home, then you give her an eraser. So what is that giving word? Is it lend, belongings, borrow, or share? Choose the correct answer, write it down in the blank, and press spacebar when you're done. Number 2. I like to my belongings with others. It shows that I care. Now, lend, belongings, borrow, or share. Which one do you think is the correct answer? Write it down and then press space. Number 3. I had to a ruler from my friend because I forgot mine. Later, I gave it back. So when you take something from someone and give it back to them, are you borrowing, lending? Which one? Think about it and write down the answer. When you're done, press space. Number 4, and the last one. My school bag, pencil case, and lunchbox are my. So if you own them, it's your lunchbox, your pencil case, your school bag. So they are your. It's the big word. Please write down the answer and press space. And that, kids, is the end of this lesson for this week. Congratulations! You just did an online lesson. I hope you understood everything that was taught, and if not, go ahead, ask your parents, ask your elders, and if not, come and ask me. I'll be on Class Dojo for anything and everything that you need. Make sure you check your answers and you can watch this whole PowerPoint again if you're confused about anything. Good luck, your class misses you, and I hope I'll see you soon. Bye bye.